Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Today we are going to configure the GM FieldSet grid. This grid will allow us to view and edit the related contacts without going through the junction object. Go to the Setup and open the Contact object from the Object Manager. Let's go to Field Sets and create a new one. Set the label and the API name. Set where used to GridMate. Add the desired fields from the field palette. Select Reports to Lookup field. Add Reports to's email, which is a parent field. Copy the FieldSet API name and go to an account record. Edit the account Lightning page. Add a new tab and rename it as Contacts. Go to the Component Explorer and search for GM field. Drag and drop the component into the new tab. Set related object name to Contact. Paste the API name into FieldSet name. Set the page size to 50. Set the custom label to Contacts. Set the grid height to 480. Set the filter to see only the related records. The filter is using inline query through the account contact relation object. Scroll down. Check Show Border and Show Column Border. Set the search fields to first name, last name, title and check wildcard search. Let's save our work and check the result. As you can see, the Reports to's email has the same label as the contact's email. Let's fix this. Open the Config wizard and go to Custom Labels. Select Reports to Fields. Rename the fields. Select and copy the configuration value. Edit the record page again. Scroll down. Paste the copied value into custom field labels. Save and go back. Awesome! The Reports to's email has been renamed as expected. Let's inline edit the grid and update some of the records. Thank you for watching.